Welcome to VonWater C5 Hot and Cold Reverse Osmosis System. Let's take a quick look at the machine, accessories, the overall design, and the control panel. Now let's begin the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the instruction manual, a removable drip tray, a sealed row filter cartridge, and the main unit. Everything is carefully packed and ready for use. Installation instructions. First, lift out the water tank. Fill it with tap water at the sink, then reinstall it into the machine. Next, install the row filter cartridge. Align it with the slot, insert it firmly, and twist until you hear a click. This indicates the filter is properly locked in place. Flushing plug in the machine, and it will automatically enter flushing mode. The screen will display the flushing progress in real time. During this process, the internal tank will gradually fill with water. Prepare a large container. Press the water dispense button to release water from the spout. Do not drink this water. When the tank icon on the screen starts flashing, remove the water tank, discard the remaining water, refill it with fresh tap water, and place it back into the machine. Repeat the process of filtering, flushing, dispensing, and refilling until the flushing progress reaches 100%. Once flushing is complete, your system is ready. Enjoy clean, hot and cold water anytime. Start your hydration journey with VonWater C5.